we should get on time, and that is the CPI.
Little CPI for you, brothers. Subscribe.
0.4% versus an estimate of 0.3%. Real earnings minus 0.1%. Obviously, the inflation number's taking that off. Let's see what we got here. Year over year, headline 2.9%, right in line. Ex-food and energy 3.1%, right in line. No adjustment to the prior number. But the one thing is the headline. The core at 0.3 is exactly in line with estimates. Let's see what else we have here. Unadjusted. That's all I have right now, Joe. How's food was up 0.5%, so some pressure there. Food 0.4%. Only for total rent 0.4. A little bit of pressure right there. I don't have the actual table yet, but I'll get that in a second. Taking a look, seems the bond market is reacting at all. That's what Rick would be telling us, but he's going to be here in a second. I still have the 2-year at 351. Rick, do you remember where it was going in? I can't remember. 10-year at 4.01. So that's actually down.
I do have to say Rick Santelli does a much better job than Steve Leisman.
Big decline. I think market's seeing essentially, Joe, this inflation numbers in line with expectations.
Yeah.
The key here, and I'll dig into the numbers, I expect to find tariff inflation in there. The key all along, the main risk to all of this was it going to spread to other things? That does not appear to be the case.
No, it doesn't.
The risk that held the Fed back. We can argue, did it make sense for the Fed to go?
So I will say that I believe we do have a good chance of getting some lower rates. So, I mean, if not, then Powell and the rest of the Fed are smoking crack because they have all the data they need. Inflation has ticked down a little bit. Oh, there's the crazy man. Look at him. He's going nuts.
It equals where we were in June of 23. To find a higher number, you're back to October of 21. To me, that's the biggie. We talking about is the Fed Fund futures market going to potentially price in 50? That is your catalyst to actually get there.
To price in 50. Where's the 10-year, Steve? I was thinking we might get a 3 handle.
10-year coming up. 4. That's what the market's reacting to.
Exactly 4.
Not the inflation rate.
Okay, so yeah, I'm not seeing crypto right now. I'm sure it's ticking up a little bit. You know, this is pretty good news. I mean, it's now down significantly. It's pretty much right at estimates for the most part. So we're gonna have to see what happens, my brothers and sisters. It's just, you know, we just need continued good news. And unfortunately, some of the bad news for the economy is good news for crypto, right? Jobs issues. So let's see what happens. Time will tell.